As of today, Eisenhower Health has now tested about 1,400 patients for coronavirus. In a News Channel 3 exclusive, our Caitlin Thrope brings us inside a lab here in the Valley where some of those tests are being analyzed.
What you're looking at is an actual specimen being analyzed to find out if the person is positive or negative for coronavirus.
What I'm doing is I'm setting up the testing, the COVID testing on these patients.
Roy is a clinical laboratory scientist at Eisenhower Health.
We put the new one in and remove the old one.
He handles up to 50 coronavirus tests every day, but that number is expected to increase.
It's something that needs to be done, and it's something that we take a lot of pride in doing.
This lab in Rancho Mirage operates around the clock, but Director of Laboratory at Eisenhower Health, Laura Molenhoff, tells us this lab work is relatively new to the hospital.
We began on April 8th in-house testing, and we started sending out to the reference lab. I think they went live about March 15th or so.
Since then, over 1,400 patients have been tested at Eisenhower. 300 of those tests analyzed right here in-house. The others are sent to other labs.
And it's only if a result is urgently needed that it's done here in the laboratory.
In about an hour, the lab will know if this specimen is positive or negative for coronavirus. Every specimen has a barcode on it, so that information can get where it needs to go very quickly. Turnaround for results of specimens sent to outside labs can take up to 4 days.
This is a very difficult but exciting time here for laboratorians because, of course, right now most of our energies are really focused on COVID testing, as you can see behind me with Roy setting this test up here. So that is really important, but I don't want to forget all the laboratorians that work day in and day out, and we're just very proud of them.
Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.